In this video, I want to go over why I chose to get this $500 pool robot for my Intex pool and why you might want to do the same.
This is the Dolphin E10 pool robot. You notice this handle in the front, the sleek body design, these tracks almost like a little underwater tank, this really big roller, and a large suction port on the bottom. Cleanup is a breeze. Just take the bin right out and you'll see the bin actually opens on the bottom. You can just hit it with a hose. You don't really need a lot of pressure because when you open the bottom here, everything will just kind of wash right out. Really simple. I was actually really happy about that. And you just put this thing right back in there. It'll push the handle down as you close it and you are ready to go. Pop it right in the pool like so. Hit the button and it's a one button design after you let some line into the water. The 3 best reasons to purchase this robot. Number 1, it's corded. Corded means more power. And I've seen this thing pick up small stones, sand, and leaves off the bottom with ease that my rechargeable simply couldn't pick up. Number 2, like I said earlier, it doesn't need to be charged. With my prior robots, I'd have to remember to charge them every single time I was done using them. And if I forgot, they weren't available when I needed them. Not an issue here. And number 3, this is one a lot of people don't realize. This robot is basically the most advanced pool robot that doesn't climb walls. And that's significant because soft-sided pools like Intex and other similar brands can actually be damaged from robots that climb walls. Click the link in the description to make sure you find the right Dolphin that's a non-wall climber so you don't damage your pool.
Summation, guys, I've had the ZX100 by Intex, the ZX300, which was the Intex climbing robot. They actually climbed the side of the pool walls. The ZX300s were great, but you had to have a stronger filter in order to run them. So if you didn't have an upgraded filter kit, since they ran off of your filter system, they weren't going to be as effective. The Apers were great too. They didn't have quite the suction power that a plug-in model like this one has, and you had to recharge them after every single use. So if you forgot to do that and your pool was dirty, you had to wait a few hours. This one here beats them all. Not only is it more powerful with the plug, right? It has this great roller on it. It has these great treads that are almost like an army tank. It doesn't ever get stuck. And it also never needs to be charged, so you're not never waiting around to use your robot. It's there when you need it. It is a little more costly than the other ones, but I'll tell you what, it's peace of mind and you're going to enjoy your pool, and it's probably worth a couple extra bucks to do so. Thanks for watching.